Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on your iPhone. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. So first, let's figure out exactly what happened. You probably went into your Photos app, deleted a photo, and then went into Recently Deleted under Albums. If Face ID is turned on, you might need to use it to access that folder. If the photo is still in Recently Deleted and it's been less than 30 days, you can easily recover it. Just tap the photo, click the three dots, and choose Recover. But if you've already deleted it from there too, here's what you can try next. One option is using iCloud. If your photos were synced with iCloud before the deletion, there's a chance the photo is still there. Let's go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then go to iCloud greater than Photos. If Sync This iPhone is turned off, try turning it on. You might get the photo back once syncing starts. If you don't want to sync everything, just open Safari, go to iCloud.com, log in, and tap on Photos. Browse your library, and if you spot the photo, hit Select, choose the image, then tap the three dots and download it. Now another method. If you had backed up your iPhone to a computer between when the photo was saved and when it was deleted, you could restore that backup. Just remember, before restoring, make a new backup of your iPhone so you don't lose recent stuff. Once that's done, restore the old backup. Check if the photo is there, save or send it to yourself, and then restore your most recent backup. That's it. Hopefully one of these methods helps you get your photo back.
Thanks for
Watching.